To fix a Prizepicks failed verification issue, it is essential to understand the verification process and the common reasons for failure. Prizepicks is a platform that offers fantasy sports and requires users to verify their identity to ensure compliance with regulatory requirements. The first step to resolve a failed verification issue is to check the information provided during the sign-up process. Ensure that the name, date of birth, and address match the details on the government-issued ID. Any discrepancies can cause the verification to fail. Next, review the ID uploaded to the platform. The ID must be valid, not expired, and clearly visible. Prizepicks accepts various types of government-issued IDs, including driver's licenses, state IDs, and passports. If the ID is not clear or has expired, upload a new one to proceed with the verification process. Another common reason for failed verification is incorrect address information. Prizepicks uses a third-party service to verify the address, and any mismatch can cause the verification to fail. Check the address on file and update it if necessary to ensure it matches the address on the ID. If the issue persists, contact Prizepicks customer support for assistance. They can provide guidance on the specific reason for the failed verification and help resolve the issue. Be prepared to provide additional documentation or information to complete the verification process. Best practices to avoid failed verification include using a valid and up-to-date ID, ensuring the name and address match across all documents, and uploading clear and legible images. By following these steps and tips, users can quickly resolve a Prizepicks failed verification issue and start enjoying the platform's services. It is also important to note that Prizepicks has a comprehensive FAQ section and support resources that can help users troubleshoot common issues, including failed verification. By taking the time to review these resources and following the steps outlined above, users can efficiently resolve the issue and get back to using the platform.